In this video, we will show you how to create virtual machine on Azure. To create virtual machine on Azure, first you need to log into portal.azure.com. After that, you can go to virtual machines. In here, you can create virtual machines. Okay, there is several options here. Virtual machine with skill and with preset, and this is hybrid. Okay, for easy way, we can using preset. Okay, because the preset we don't need more complex configuration. Okay, you can using general purpose, memory optimize, or compute optimize here. Okay, for example here we select general purpose. Just click continue to create a VM here. Okay, the subscription, this is our subscription. We can select this, and new resource group, we can create new if nothing, for example web data, and click OK. Instance details, this is related to your virtual machine. Okay, for me VM name where data come here, for example region US. Availability zone, self-select zone. Okay, and availability zone we can using zone 1. Security type, okay, trusted launch virtual machines or just basic level. Okay, for image you can using Ubuntu, Debian, or another. In here I want to try using Ubuntu server. Okay, pick 64. Okay, if this is not available in zone 1, we can select the zone in zone 2. Okay, like this. You can see there is $140 per month, and administrator account, this is using password. Okay, we will set the password. This is privacy. I will censor this. You can select inbound port using SSH 22 port. Next, and OS disk, the default is 30 gigabytes. You can using 64 gigabytes, for example. Okay, OS disk type, okay, using premium, and delete VM. Okay, platform manage key. Okay, and networking. Okay, this will allow IP address access your virtual machine. It's just okay because we will using proxy later. It's just review plus create here. The last step is click create here. Deployment is in progress. Now we need to go to our resource. Click here. In here you can see every details like public IP address, virtual network, DNS, and another. Okay, later we will try how to manage this on the next video, but this is how you can create virtual machine, or you can call VPS, also whatever you call. And that's all tutorial how to create VPS or virtual machine on Azure. Thanks for watching.